Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure iCloud Photos is active and you're signed in with the correct Apple ID. Once done, open the Photos app on iPhone, iPad, or Mac, or visit iCloud. Calm and tap Photos. This immediately shows your synced library. Make sure the device is on a reliable Wi-Fi network so thumbnails load quickly. If you use cellular, toggle settings to allow uploads. These steps ensure you're looking at the same cloud library across devices and avoid missing items. Once you're inside Photos, navigate with years, months, or days to locate moments fast. This hierarchy helps narrow thousands of images. You can also tap search and type names, places, or recognizable objects. Photos uses AI to index content so you find memories without manual sorting. To view full quality, enable Download Originals to keep high-res files locally, or use optimized storage to save space while still viewing previews. Make sure sync finishes before editing so changes apply across devices. To complete tasks, select Photos to share via messages, mail, or create a shared album. This keeps originals in iCloud while giving others access. If you want local copies, choose Download Originals or export a version to Files. Once you're done, confirm edits synced across devices. If something goes wrong, first verify you're signed into the same Apple ID, check iCloud storage is not full, and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Signing out and back into iCloud often forces a resync and resolves missing items.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.